Students, welcome all of you. My name is Pooja Subhashrao Deshmukh from International Center of Excellence in Engineering and Management College, Aurangabad. Today is our second lecture on Internet of Things, in which we will study the basic concepts of IoT, that is Internet of Things. In last lecture, we will study the detailed syllabus of IoT with units, their names and subtopics. In today's lecture, we will discuss about what is IoT, history of IoT, how IoT works, their applications, and what are the challenges in IoT, advantages and disadvantages of IoT. Now, we will see one by one. Our first point is what is IoT? As shown in figure, there are many applications of IoT. Now the definition of IoT is the Internet of Things unites physical objects with the virtual world. Intelligent devices and machines are connected to each other and the Internet. They capture relevant information about their direct environment, then analyze and link it. IoT is nothing but smart things or electronic devices which is operated by using internet, or they help us in our day-to-day life to perform many things smartly, accurately. Example, AC, smartwatch, smart car, traffic signals which is operated by using mobile phones, etc. Now, history of IoT. In 1970, the actual idea of a connected devices was proposed. In 1990, John Romke created a toaster which could be turned on or turned off over the internet. After that, in 1995, Siemens company introduced the first cellular module built for M2M. Then 1999, the term Internet of Things was used by a Kevin Ashton during his work at P&G, which became widely accepted. After that, in 2004, the term was mentioned in famous publications like the Guardian, Boston Globe and Scientific American. After that, in 2005, UN's International Telecommunications Union ITU published the first report on this topic. Then in 2008, the Internet of Things was born. Then 2011, Gartner, the market research company, include the Internet of Things technology in their research book. Our next point is how IoT works. As shown in figure, there is a internet connected with different devices. IoT devices contains sensors and mini computer processors that act on the data collected by the sensors via machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software's applications to become more accurate and predicting outcomes. Also, essentially, IoT devices are mini computers connected to the internet and are vulnerable to malware and hacking. Now, we will see the steps of how IoT is implemented for any device or any communication protocols. First step is clearly set your business objectives. Then second is research tested IoT use cases. Then decide on correct hardware where we implement the IoT. Then select the IoT tools. Then selecting an IoT platform. Then prototyping and implementing of IoT. After that, we gather a useful data and then apply cold and hot path analytics. By this process, we will implement an IoT system. Now, these are the applications of IoT. IoT applications used in home, consumer, transport, mobility, health, body, buildings, infrastructures, cities, industry. Now, next is the challenges of IoT. Due to insufficient testing and updating, there may be problems faced in IoT. Concern regarding data security and privacy, software complexity, data volumes and interpretation, integration with artificial intelligence and automation. Devices require a constant power supply, which is difficult. There may be short circuit, there may be loss of power. Interaction and short range communication. So, these are the challenges we are facing with the IoT systems. Next is the advantages of IoT. By using IoT, we can improve productivity of staff and reduced human labor. Also, efficient operation management, better use of resources and assets, cost effective operation, improved work safety. Through marketing and business development, we can use IoT. Improved customer service and retention, better business opportunities developed by IoT. Also, there may be some disadvantages in IoT also. Security and privacy. Keeping the data gathered and transmitted by IoT device safe is challenging as they evolve and expand in use. There is a technical complexity also, connectivity problems and power dependence. Integration problem also occurred. It is time consuming and expensive to implement. Actually, the future of the IoT has the potential to be limitless. Also, advances to the industrial internet will be accelerated through increased network agility, integrated artificial intelligence, and the capacity to deploy, automate, or orchestrate and secure diverse use cases at hyperscale. There are 6 types of IoT connections, that is LP WANs, cellulars, that is 3G, 4G and 5G networks, ZigBee and other mesh protocols, Bluetooth and BLE, Wi-Fi and RFID. Actually, this subject is very wide, but you have to know the basic things which is in IoT for this lecture also. Today onwards, we will start the detailed syllabus of IoT. Now, thank you very much.